Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make French fries. This is a very delicious and a quick snack recipe. Your kids will be very excited about this. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've cut 2 medium-sized potatoes into sticks like this. Transfer them to a idli plate. It's ready to get steamed now. Heat 1 cup of water in a pan. Place the idli plate on it and close it with a lid. Let this cook for 2 minutes in high flame. After 2 minutes, open and check. The potato sticks are well done and ready, so off the flame and allow it to cool completely. Meanwhile, to a mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix it well. Now to this add the steamed potatoes. Toss it well and make sure the flour is well coated. Now we have it ready. Freeze the potato sticks for 2 hours. You can store this up to 2 weeks and enjoy whenever you wish. After 2 hours, heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is hot, add the French fries. Keep the flame in medium till the end. After 2 minutes, flip sides and cook until they are golden brown and crispy. Now the oil bubbles have settled and the fries are nice and crispy, so let's now remove them. Now our delicious French fries are ready. Serve it hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very delicious, crispy and an easy snack recipe. So do try this French fries recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.